The human body has an extraordinary ability to repair itself when it is damaged, a phenomenon that is fundamental to our survival. This self-repair mechanism can be observed at various biological levels, from individual cells to entire organ systems. One of the primary ways the body repairs itself is through the process of cell regeneration and tissue repair. When tissues are damaged, the body initiates an immediate response known as the inflammatory response. This involves the release of signaling molecules such as cytokines and growth factors that not only help to contain and eliminate the source of damage, such as pathogens, but also promote healing. During this phase, white blood cells rush to the affected area to fend off infections and facilitate the removal of debris. Following the initial inflammatory phase, the body enters the tissue formation phase. Fibroblasts, a type of cell, start producing collagen and extracellular matrix, which serve as scaffolding for new tissue. Angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, ensures that the new tissue receives adequate blood supply and nutrients. Epithelial cells also proliferate and migrate to cover the wound, forming a new layer of skin or mucosa. The final phase is the tissue remodeling phase, during which the newly formed tissue matures and gains strength. Collagen fibers reorganize and become more structured, while any excess cells are removed through the process of apoptosis, or programmed cell death. This phase can last for weeks to months, depending on the extent of the injury. In addition to these cellular and tissue-level mechanisms, the human body also employs more systemic repair processes. For instance, the liver has an exceptional capacity for regeneration, able to restore lost tissue remarkably fast. Similarly, bones undergo a meticulous process of repair that involves the formation of a soft callus that gradually hardens and reshapes into bone.